Yo guys, what's going on? Monday 6 here, back with the 2005 Chevy Avalanche Southern Comfort Edition. And today we're going to be changing out the taillights. Went ahead and picked these up. If you're looking for some good OEM replacements for your Avalanche, I'm going to go ahead and drop a link down in the description. But let's go ahead and get these brand new taillights installed on the Avalanche. Hope you guys enjoy. And today we're going to be changing out the rear taillights. I went ahead and picked up a new set. The ones that are on here, the right one has a crack in it. It has water intrusion. I believe these are original to the vehicle. Just going to go ahead and upgrade the stock taillights to OEM ones so they look brand new. Here's the left side, you can see looking good. Here's the right side. You can see that reverse light is just black. Just a bunch of water in there. Let's see if we can. Of water just sloshing around in there. Let's go ahead and get these lights changed out. Here we are at the right taillight where we have the water in the reverse light here. Let's go ahead and just drain this water. Yeah, definitely not supposed to be in there. Well, I guess if you needed some emergency drinking water, you could always use your reverse light for that. Alright, looks like that water's draining out pretty good. Looks like these taillights are held in by two Phillips head screws, one on the top and one on the bottom. Grab yourself a Phillips screwdriver and remove the top screw and the bottom screw. Okay, with the top screw and the bottom screw removed, we should have access to this taillight. We should be able to just remove it just like that. Next we're gonna, still more water coming out. Let that all drain out. Next we're gonna disconnect these brake light sockets. You have one socket there, and that's your reverse light socket. So I believe you just have to turn them counterclockwise. Got to press in those tabs and remove these sockets. Here we go. Just to press this tab. Make sure it's under there, just like that. Counterclockwise. Same thing here. Press it down. Clockwise. Looks like the same thing here. All right. We have this passenger side taillight removed. Now these lights right here do come with a harness if your harness is shot, which that's pretty cool, but I'm going to go ahead and use the factory harness, and I'll just keep this one for a spare in case anything ever happens to the stock harness. Now we got the top socket, middle socket, first light socket. I don't have a bulb for it. I'm going to look at some LED upgrades. Just grab this, side in here, just take a little finesse. There we go, locked in. Should be able to, there we go. The plastic, put it back in place. Okay, once the light's back in place, take your two screws that you removed, top, bottom, Phillips head screwdriver, put them back in. Okay, we got that brand new taillight in, looking good. Fits good. Reverse light looks nice and shiny and chrome, not black and waterlogged like it was. Perfect fit. Nice OEM replacement for the Avalanche taillight. Okay, we're going to be doing the same thing to the driver's side here. Got the nice new shiny taillight. Going to replacing the one that's on there. Alright, super simple. Just 3 light sockets, 2 Phillips screws, and you can replace your light in your Avalanche. Alright, let's get it done. Here you go. Here's a nice side-by-side comparison. New one, 20-year-old taillight. Just look at the difference. How much more shiny it is on here. You can see it's actually milky in there, like it's been washed out. Here the lens just is so much shinier than the old one. Even this is the reflector in there, the chrome, just looks so much better. It's a good overall replacement.